This is a sadhana for women that is simple yet profound. We'll be drawing our awareness and our conscious attention into the womb space via the breath. It's suitable throughout any stage of pregnancy, and it's also a really nice practice if you are on your period and in your inner winter. So come to stand on your mat, take your feet a bit wider than hips width. And let's just take a moment here to feel into the soles of the feet and to arrive in this sacred space for your practice. Grounding yourself through that contact of the soles of your feet onto the earth. Make sure there's a little micro bend in your knees, and you can just lift the toes, spreading them wide with a nice inhale, and lower the toes back down on an exhale. You can do this a couple more times by yourself, lifting and spreading the toes up and lowering them back down to the ground. And then taking your hands into Anjali Mudra, prayer position at the heart. So bringing now all of your attention to the heart space, as well as the soles of the feet and that contact with the ground. And just starting to shift our awareness from the physical to the subtle energies. Breathing consciously into the space of the heart, allowing yourself to feel expansive and open, connecting in with that energy not only within the body but also outside and around the body and around the space of the heart, the physical heart. On your next exhale, moving your hands into Yoni Mudra, so first fingers and thumbs touching and pointing the fingers all down, making a downward pointing triangle, and then exhaling this mudra to slide down over the body and the abdomen and come to rest over the womb. Pausing here and just taking some breaths in and out, allowing the warmth of your hands to sink into the body and into the womb space. Connecting in with the subtle body and the subtle energies here at the womb. And then the next time you exhale, taking that same mudra and moving into a squat, placing the Yoni Mudra onto the earth, or if you don't want to go into a full squat, just stay up in a high squat and just gesturing the mudra towards the ground. Breathing here and looking down to the ground, becoming aware of all of the parts of you that are in contact with the earth. Moving now on an inhale to reach up all the way to the sky, pressing into the soles of the feet, standing and looking through that triangle up to the sky above. And then exhaling, taking Anjali Mudra to the third eye at the center of the forehead, inhaling here. Exhaling here, just allowing yourself to breathe and notice. Bringing now that energy from the third eye, moving with an exhale to bring Anjali Mudra back to the heart. Keep breathing here now at the heart space as we pause for a moment. And we're going to repeat that cycle of movements and mudras. Feel free to close your eyes if you would like to. When you're ready, moving again into Yoni Mudra on an exhale to come and rest over the womb. Breathing at the womb space cultivating a sense of loving awareness surrounding the womb. Inhaling here, exhaling to come down to the earth. Tapping into that downward flow of energy from the pelvis and the womb, down the legs and into the feet and the ground. Inhaling to stand, reaching up to the sky, looking through the mudra, and then exhaling, prayer hands come to rest in the center of the forehead, the third eye, softening the whole face, as if you could breathe through the forehead, through the third eye. And the next exhale, coming back to the beginning at the heart space, taking a moment here to integrate. And let's flow through that cycle just one last time. Exhaling with Yoni Mudra to the womb. Breathing here. Exhaling, coming down to the ground, connecting with the solid earth beneath you. Inhaling to stand, looking up, exhaling to the third eye with your prayer position. Breathing here and exhaling, third eye to the heart. Take a bit of a deeper breath. Coming back into Yoni Mudra, exhaling to the womb. And one last movement, breathing down to the ground, taking the palms of the hands onto the floor, and this time transitioning yourself very slowly and mindfully into a seated position with your legs wide and your feet out in about a 90-degree angle or so. And just take a couple of breaths here to find that seated position. Flex into the feet, so make sure there's some energy coming down the legs and into the feet with the toes pointing up to the ceiling. Engaging the legs so that the back of the thighs and the calves gently push into the earth. Feeling to the sitting bones, making sure there's even weight in the left and right sides. The spine is nice and straight. The crown of your head is reaching up towards the sky, and the back of the neck is nice and long, so that means the chin might feel like it's dipping slightly down towards your chest. So take your hands onto your thighs at the hip crease. Have your thumbs on the inside and your fingers on the outside of your thighs. And just gently press down, pushing the thighs and the legs into the ground. Just a gentle pressure so that it feels nourishing. And moving the hands down along the legs like this, just pausing to push and ground. Moving down towards the knees. Just skipping over the knees, so don't push your knees into the ground, skipping over to the shin, and just go along down towards the feet as far as you can comfortably reach. So we're just focusing on that sensation of grounding the energy down through the legs and into the floor. We're not worried too much about a stretch in the hamstrings. So now you can either keep your hands on the legs or on the floor next to your legs, Or if you can comfortably reach to your feet, you could take yogi toe lock around the big toe with the two peace fingers and the thumb. And now take a nice inhale through the nose and straighten the spine so that the crown lifts back up to the sky. And then with an exhale, gently fold forward, coming into a forward fold. And remembering to keep that focus on the contact with the floor and the grounding energy. Inhale yourself back up. And just start to move in your own time slowly between these two positions. So just following along with the rhythm of your own breath, with your own pace. Allow this movement to originate in the pelvis, in the pelvic bowl and the womb, and the spine is just sort of following along. So you always inhale to come up and sit up more straight, and always exhale as you fold forward. So really connecting in with that downward flow of energy from the womb space and the pelvis into the earth. Cultivating a feeling of surrender and of trust to let that happen and to let go and to release. Really drawing each breath in all the way down into the depths of the body, as if you're breathing into the womb and into the pelvis, or even as if you could breathe all the way into the earth. Remembering to keep the back of the neck long. And when you feel ready, coming up on a big inhale back to center, pausing for a moment here, and exhaling, staying where you are, and releasing those subtle energies down the spine and through the womb and down into the earth. Just taking a couple of normal, natural breaths. And when you're ready, bringing the knees up, placing the soles of the feet onto the ground at either side of your mat, and softly leaning back into your hands, placing them behind you, but try to keep some integrity in the strength of your spine so that you're not leaning your weight too much into your hands behind you. So inhaling here, and then on your next exhale, start moving to one side. So bringing the knees over to one side. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, swinging the knees over to the other direction. So always linking the movement with your breath. We might be going at slightly different speeds to one another. Moving as slowly as you would like. And just bringing your awareness really into the pelvic bowl and the womb space, becoming attuned to those micro movements that are happening in the pelvis every time you're shifting side to side. So next time you exhale and come to one side, stay where you are, and then inhale to swing the arm from behind you around and up, lift into the hips and push into that other hand that's still grounded on the floor, opening up to create this beautiful line of energy from the fingertips down the side body and all the way to the knees on the ground. Breathing here, really feeling the length of that side body from the knees all the way to the fingertips. And exhale to lower the hips back down and come back into that starting position. Inhaling at the center position. Let's exhale to the other side and take the same shape. So inhale to lift the hips, swing the arm around, breathing into that side body, extending all the way into the fingertips so you can really feel your subtle energies reaching into the edges of your body. Breathing for a few breaths in this shape. exhaling back down to the center position. Let's take those shapes one more time. So coming back onto the first side, lifting the hips, opening up the side body, and feeling as if you're really pulling your breath into that lung, the side of the body that's nice and open. Spreading the energy, fingertips to knees. Returning to the center on an exhale. Inhaling at the central position. Exhale to swing onto the other side. And inhale, lift the hips. Open up that side body, breathing into the other lung, filling up the body with breath. Moving the subtle energies into the knees, into the toes, into the fingertips and the crown of your head. Taking some breaths here. And coming back to that central position. And just gently shifting yourself into a comfortable seated posture, either cross-legged or sitting up on a meditation cushion if you have one. Let's close our practice by taking one hand over the womb space, the other hand over the heart space. Just taking a moment here, feeling into the energies of these two centers and noticing a flow, a cycle of energy moving between the two. Moving up from womb to heart as we inhale. Moving down from the heart to the womb as we exhale. When you feel ready to close and to finish, bringing both of the hands together in prayer position at the heart space, inhaling here. Thank you so much for practicing today. See you next time.